Okay, so in this video, we're gonna again bypass the Microsoft account creation again, and again. So back to the shit again. So I have a new installation here. So once you get to this spot, Shift F10, press Shift F10 to bring up your command line. Right, and then you only have to put in this command, which is actually better than the bypass NRO one. Oh yeah, I won't be able to paste. What am I doing? So yeah. So it's just start mx-cxh colon local only. So this is the first time I'm running it, so let's see if it works. So you're gonna have to restart Windows. So create a user for this PC. Okay. Let's see. Make it secure. Let's put in some password. Do I have to put in? Oh yeah, you have to put in this shit as well. Like, so annoying. But I suppose come on. Right, let's go. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it bypassed it. So let's just wait and see what happens. Okay, so you can just disable this stuff, the normal jazz. Except... What? That quick? What the hell? Wow, it bypassed a lot of that annoying big installation stuff. What? Oh, my internet is off, so that's not going to load all the bloat. Okay, yeah, that's it. Good.